Hello, Elizabeth Monroy here with InfiniteHuman.com, and it's Halloween 2019, and I'm taking you on a little tour around, I was going to say Florence, Palermo. I'm creating my esoteric tour of Palermo, and this, if you have ever seen The Godfathers, The Godfather 3, was where the final scene of poor Don Corleone's downfall happened when his daughter was shot and killed in front of this beautiful, beautiful, one of the third largest opera houses in all of Europe. And it put Palermo on the map as being one of the most sophisticated cities during that day. So there it is. Ciao from Palermo.